What's up guys, welcome back to Sanemi from Demon Slayer. So there was a new sort of key image released for the Hashira, and this one's pretty cool. So we're going to focus on the face for this one. I was thinking about trying to get the hands and the sword in, but they're too far down and the face would have been like tiny and I wouldn't have been able to draw it in. Sorry about the paint on my hands, by the way. I was painting, not like art painting, painting my house. So different kind of painting. I couldn't get it off. Anyway, what do you care? Sanemi. So got a, yeah, so his head, he's like in profile, right? So his head's like down here on the left hand side. So let's go for it. Oh, pretty cool eyes, this guy. Cross. Right, we'll get the general shape in first and then we'll add those eyelashes. So this then comes down around up to the tear duct, and they actually draw in the tear duct in Demon Slayer. Right? So that's the general shape for his eye. Okay, and then his iris is just kind of looking up at us in there. And he's got unusual eyes, right? Because he's got all these like scribbles and stuff inside. So like all crazy sort of spiral lines like this. And then red veins. So the veins are done in red. We'll do them in black. And we can change them to red afterwards, of course, if you want to color. I would recommend doing these in red if you're doing them. Okay, now we're gonna thicken up the eyelash lines. So we go up and across. And this like spikes like real far back here. Like a real thin line back here, and then goes down to there. So all dark. Right, and then like some eyelashes sticking off. So like one at the front, and then like one on its own sort of here. Like that, and then one on its own down here as well. Unusual eyes. Cool though. Okay, and head tilted down, that's why we're at this angle. He also has like some wrinkles and like stress lines around his eye. Kind of like his brother. Whose brother? Well, you know that. That's not a secret. No spoilers, etc. I try my best, but I fail sometimes to not give spoilers. Eyelid line here. But it's hard, you know, when people read mangas and other people don't read mangas, and I want to draw manga characters and people like get angry because I drew a manga character. And then an eyelid line there. So the nose, so we just come about half an eye width, right? About half the eye will be your distance to the nose, right? And it's just like sticking out here. It looks like an upside down 7 or like a letter L. Nice little flick down there for the nose. In Demon Slayer, they tend to add little shadows in the corners of the nose and stuff here. And then a nostril, like that. He doesn't have eyebrows, does he? Does he have eyebrows? Can't see them. Can't remember now. No, I don't think he has eyebrows. Man, what a life. No eyebrows. Lots of scars, though. So then at the top of the nose, this goes this way. Turns into like a Z shape. And he's got one of those big eyelashes just kind of flicking off this way. And then his actual eyeball, just in here. And then an eyelash kind of sticking down this way. And then his cheek. And then his iris, just in here in the corner. And then just add some of these like strange curving texture lines and stuff. So his forehead will keep going up underneath his hair there, and he could have like an extra eyelash or just a brow line or something there. So his mouth sort of starts just at the bottom of the nose, right? So it comes down to a point and then bumps around this way. So it looks real serious. And then we have that triangular shadow that they have in Demon Slayer. Make this a bit pointier. Side of his face comes down here, bumps around the mouth, and then goes out for the chin. Comes around the chin, back this way. And then we will keep going for the jaw to here. They leave a little gap, but you don't have to leave this gap if you don't want to, if you don't like doing that. But they just tend to leave a little gap in the jawbone sometimes. And then his ear starts here, right? And it goes like behind hair. So it goes like, you could draw in the whole ear if you wanted, of course. Draw in a good bit of it, right? Now the rest of his head is pretty much hair and some scars. So he's got like this big piece of fringe that comes down here and then another piece that comes over the ear. So, say here at the forehead, right? Coming down that way. And then this kind of bumps up here and around. Like so, and this kind of goes down, bumping out, and then down this way. Lots of angles. All right, and we got like a spike. Very angular hairstyle. Another one comes over his eye here. Two more. So one here. And there. And then, of course, like texture lines on all this. And then he has like a secondary fringe that comes over the ear here, okay? So, comes out like this side here somewhere. Right? And then this comes down there. And then hair spike here. Hair spike there. Comes up and down into there. And then again, some texture on this. Boom. And then we got some ear lines in here. And then some zigzag sort of hairline spaces inside here. So this kind of a thing. Texture under there. So then more hair coming all the way back, right? So it comes like out from here and then spikes around all the way to the bottom of his ear. So like we're aiming here and then all the way, I would say, where? So like here. Okay, so all the way around. So we'll just go for it now. And they're like little sort of shark fin sort of shapes, you know, that kind of spikes like this. And there's no trick to it. You kind of just gotta add them as you go. Okay. All right, next one. Where am I? I'm lost. That's that one. Wait, that one, that one. Oh yeah, okay, so this one goes here. Right, and then we got like a couple more inside here. There. And like some texture lines going down. Okay. So scars on his face, right? He's got like one on his forehead here that you can kind of see. But then the main one kind of like comes across his nose. Like that. There's like little texture lines and stuff inside. Back of his neck, here, Adam's apple, here, Demon Slayer shadow underneath the chin. And this will curve back that way. And then, so his big collar is open, it's not closed, right? So back of it there. Then the next layer, unbuttoned, open, right? Down that way. And then we have his white kimono, sort of loose, everything's sort of loosely fitted, flowing, sort of off this way. And then we have a white collar. Going back here. The other side of the collar is here. Right, And this kind of has a white section in here as well. Like that, and then another collarbone sort of really angled. Then his chest. And we got X, like a Luffy sort of scar on his chest, like spiking. Like Luffy from One Piece. There. And then his face. From his face, sorry, his shoulder comes from his face here. And it just goes down this way. And another sleeve there. And like the white part of the kimono there. And his armpit. And then just his other shoulder, and it's just flowing kimono lines, right? So, like sort of bumping down this way. Because his elbow is kind of sticking out, he's grabbing his sword at the bottom. We're just focusing on the face on this. So we've got like some more sort of fabric lines here. Like so. Right. Sanemi from Demon Slayer. Hope it was helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.